Hey, you guys know who it is. And if you don't, it's the credit doctor, Angelo McCutcheon, coming to you with another quick video on the credit repair process. Now, let me speak to something that's really been a hot topic if you've been in the credit repair space or if you've been trying to fix your credit. This thing with the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, being shut down by Elon Musk or Donald Trump, whoever the president is, whichever one of them is the president. But anyway, people are wondering, what do I do now? Because the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau was the watchdog to make sure Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax do what they were supposed to do. Matter of fact, back before they were shut down, they filed lawsuits against Experian and against Equifax. And if you saw my video, I talked about that because they were not doing proper investigations and they filed a lawsuit. Now, those lawsuits have gone away because the CFPB have been put on pause. Now, will it start up again? Probably not under this administration. If it does, that'll be a plus, but I don't believe under this administration it's going to start up. So what do you do then? Like, do you say, oh man, I can't file a complaint with them? Yes, you can still file a complaint with their website, but they have no teeth now. Like, it doesn't really matter. They really can't do anything, even if you do file a complaint against Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So what are your next steps here? Well, listen to me. I'm going to tell you what your next steps are. And because I have access to consumer attorneys, basically across the country, I've been able to speak to one who shared some vital information with me even before the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau got shut down. And this consumer attorney told me that just for the fact that they had filed a lawsuit against Experian and Equifax, knowing that there was a possibility that they would get shut down, but the fact that they filed those lawsuits was actually a wake-up call for all consumer attorneys. They were basically saying, hey, we got the ball rolling. You know now that they don't do proper investigations. Now you guys can take it up and finish doing what we started. And so now it's going to be up to consumer attorneys to continue to forward or continue to move forward with the individual lawsuits against Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion as well. We don't want to forget them because the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau was getting ready to sue them as well. It's getting ready to sue them as well. And again, they were suing them because they were not doing a proper investigation. You send out dispute letters, they come back and send you something saying that, hey, we don't believe this came from you. You send out dispute letters, you send them all the proper documentations, they come back and say, hey, we didn't get all your documentations. You know, things that we call stall tack letters, right? Just because it's not that they read your letter, the computer in their system just shoots it out randomly to different people, right? And so they probably really wasn't doing a proper investigation, and that's a violation of the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And so attorneys, consumer attorneys, can pick those lawsuits up and file individual lawsuits for their clients. So what am I saying to you? That it is important that if you're working with if you're working with a credit repair company, credit repair person, one of the things you want to definitely ask them is, do you guys have access to a consumer attorney? Because if there are violations, you need lawsuits to be filed. And if you don't know how to do it on your own, then you need someone who specializes in that field, and that's a consumer attorney. Now, I've been working with them, different ones, for the last 6 years. And we've had debt collectors pay out over close to now $400,000 to our clients, right? A total amount of $400,000 over the last 6 years. And that just wasn't debt collectors. That was the credit bureaus. That was the original creditors and debt collectors. When we found violations on behalf of our clients, we turned them over to the consumer attorney. They filed the lawsuit. They got items deleted and they put money in our client's pocket. And so that is the next step for you guys to be aware of. If you're working or you're going to work with a credit repair company, find out, do they have access to consumer attorneys? Because now that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has been shut down or put on pause, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion gonna try to maximize that, and they really gonna push forward, maybe not doing the proper investigation. So it's gonna be up to individual consumer attorneys now to actually go forward with individual lawsuits on behalf of their clients. And so that's what I want you guys to be aware of. So don't want you to panic. For those who are in this space, do not panic. Just make sure you connect with a consumer attorney. And if you're looking to work with a credit repair company that has access to consumer attorneys, just in case you do have violations, hit me up. Email me, DM me, whatever you need to do to get in contact with me so we can push forward with cleaning up your credit. Now, I've had, particularly with these data breaches, I've had so much success just over the last 3 months with our clients. Instead of waiting 6, 7, 8 months, we've been having things come off and within 4 weeks. Right now, everybody's different, right? But I've had clients who had 18 things deleted, 13 things deleted, 10 things deleted, 5 things deleted, just based on these data breaches forms that we fill out, or we have our clients fill out, so the credit bureaus know that, hey, we know that you guys have been hacked, our information have been stolen, and we have the right, according to the Federal Trade Commission, to file a data breach form, just to make it known or aware that we are aware that our information have been stolen from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. That's just the major 3. I'm sure other things, other places have stolen our information. Hackers have stolen from companies like Target and all these other places where data breaches seems to happen all the time. So I just wanted to drop that nugget. Do not get nervous. Do not worry. There is help along the way. So just because you're going to see a lot of videos where people say, hey, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau have been shut down, this is what you need to do, blah, blah, blah. If they're not connecting you with a consumer attorney, then you're not maximizing or getting the best out of your credit repair service. So this is the Credit Doctor. If you have any questions, comment. If you're watching this, whether it be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or Flip, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me, make sure you comment, like the video, share the video. Let's get this information out to as many people as possible. And with that, you guys have a blessed day.